Ka Sorkar Jylla Meghalaya kadang dawa ban Pynkylla ke Kyndon basis Hectare na ke bynta ka jingti gemar pok kendo ke bakat kum ke jing start science. Long sembut menteri rang ba ke Jylla ba senyau balang dhar. Ubal pente ba ke Sorkar Meghalaya kadang keren ba ke Sorkar pedeng ban Pynkylla ke Kyndon ha ke baide ba kani. Habakran kilat patai kubur ke shpotri gurempang arajar arpun riau uba senyau balang dhar ulah kubur. Ba kilabun kitrai par jangki par ki beret ki balapan pau ba kene Kyndon kalong ke baya palat ban penbiang. Bak Sorkar ke terang ban ailat ya baro ban le ke kam ti do yong ke basingan bat kat kong ke start science.
Ma ko ke jing bagi tempat nak kata than ni pelong pa ke kini ke jing ai ya kini ka scientific mining dai ka bayat chaka sispa hectare di ki brain nang te ki kentu ya ke Sorkar pakan penduna no kini kena makan light kini ke jing le pian bakin ti dong yang ka ka senjang kepada Sorkar.
It's a very good question. Kadai bawi event pigi journalist bawi. Ya kani ngila yo ke petition ka request from the various mines owner. Ki on basis pak la he pelat. Ya kani ki subject UCM doing for the last 1 year. Ulai discuss baka central government if they can reduce the area to small size. So at least the local people can have the scientific mining all over the state is under discussion.
Halor ke Judicial Inquiry ke Sorkar kan session mekarai bentung yau bentli ke Judicial Inquiry Commission halo ke jinja basngosi haiz Jante Hills ondau menteri rang ba ulawan pai. Ulakentu ban omle kamsan pertai ke jingyap kinong trai dari baro ki dibencim lange ke jingkit kli ban tem ki kambian ki buan ra ke jingyap. Halor ke jingyap pisah ki longyeng ki bayap ke Sorkar kan buat dunti baro ki Kyndon bat yakaan. Kyndon ru ke jing bishar bnia ya kajing long nong shong shnong jong no kari jong ini kibla klat no kum bala dawar ke sang HYC on dala de banse bro kimet yap ulong ro bag Sorkar kan map ya ki bale ki kam ti do yong bean bakal batha ki deputy commissioner ba superintendent ki pulit pen biang ki jing dan kam baro kanang ban jashu ki kam basnosi.
You see, that's what to say is illegal mining. The illegal people who are involved, they do whatever they want, but actually government is not favor with it. Simple as that. And that is because of these people who do all this illegal thing, our people die on the spot. And we are very unfortunate to see all this. And government is very, very proactive and you will take a necessary step directly to all involved with this illegal mining.
Mangi nak lang ka HYC bago ya ka jingkili ba balay ka Sorkar kandawa ki bring baklat kidi na am naka Jylla dan naka region
No, don't worry, you'll be able to know at the end of this. When the operation stop, you will get detail on this. No,
long lagi penbenangan ai jing rap pisah.
no, that you see the policy of the government. If somebody had incident, you know very well why I should repeat again and again. Our own peoples, maybe yes, okay, that's from which part of the state, from which part of that, maybe that's a different question. You see, this type of incident, yes, it's very, very unfortunate. I share my condolences to all the affected family. Please remember now, not the time to play politics. It is high time to be collectively responsible when such accidents occur. Yes, you know very well. Incident is very unfortunate, and yes, government is taking very, very proactive stuff. We have sent all the teams to help there, and roughly till to yesterday, it seems around 27 bodies have been announced. And now even the SBDC is still on the job for checks. And the only thing from the government side, we won't spare anybody who are involved. We will take actions against them. No, activities. Slightly is that everybody sees that, but we are trying our best from the government to control. Yes, maybe sometimes it's happened, but anyway from the government, we are full effort to control. There will be no more illegal mining in future. We are taking our best. So yes, when this unfortunate incidents happen, people blame, but actually it's our collectively responsibility. We have to check, we have to balance, and we have to point number one from the government, we have to take actions directly who are involved against this illegal activity. We are not spare anybody. That is the stand of it.